at the S&P 500. I got the weekly chart here, and it's going back to 2009 here. And if we go back and take a look at the, basically the 2009 March low, and right now, essentially the market is still trending nicely within this price channel that is established between that low. Right? And there's still some more room to go before it actually get up to the upper trend line of this price channel. And if we go and take a look at on the daily price chart here, and let us zoom in here and get a little bit of a closer look at the recent price action. And you can see that we did get a little bit of a pullback last week, and right now it seems to be holding above this particular pivot here. We get this trend line here. You can see that support is still above the support here, though bounce back up a little bit on this this 20 EMA here, and it seems to be might be getting back down to try to tag this 50-day moving average. And if we go and take a look at the Fibonacci retracement using this particular high and this low point here as a swing, and we could see that some of these retracement level here on the the 50% point is somewhere around near the 50-day moving average at the 1677, 1675 area. Right now, it's last Friday, it's kind of came down and tagged this 618 extension near the 1688 level and also near the 20 EMA, and seems to be getting a little bounce, although we just got a little hammer here. So depend on next coming week to see do we get it back up to above the 78.6, above the 1700, or continue to come down and maybe possibly tag this 50% retracement and get a little bounce off the 50-day moving average here. So there's a little confluence there, and if it can't hold the 50-day moving average, there's a good chance that it could come down to this 1666, 1665, which would be at this pivot high level here for potential support. But right now, looking at the market, there's a good possibility that it might come back up and make a new high here if it could find some support and get a little bounce. Then if we take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial, the 30 Industrial, and again, if we go back and take a look at the weekly and going back to the 2009 level at that particular low here, we could see that once again, this thing is still trending nicely within this price channel, and there are still more, upside for this thing to go, and it could very easily, come up to this, 16,600, 16,500 area. And if we go back and take a look at the daily chart here, kind of zoom in here a little bit. Let me just do this. Okay, and we put in the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, using this particular high and this low as a swing point here, and we could see that again this thing came down to about the 50% retracement near the 15,230, and sort of got bounced off a little bit. And there's a confluence here between the 20 EMA and the 50-day moving average here. So we could get a bounce and possibly come back up and take out this take out this all-time high here. If it does continue to remain a little bit more weak, then we probably see it possibility of coming back down to this 120 level and maybe come down to tag this particular pivot point here, right near this level here. But I'd be a little bit surprised if we will see it come down to this area. So I might, expect it might possibly come down to this 15,121. But looks like there could be a bounce, most likely somewhere around this 15,200 area. But anything is possible. So those are just a precautionary level to kind of keep an eye on. Like I said, we can't predict the future, but we're only prepare for the possibility. Right? And if we look at the Dow Jones Transportation, the Dow Jones Transportation is also remaining strong. It's still, sitting right up near the all-time high territory. And again, if we go back and take a look at the weekly chart, it too has kind of been, still holding, holding this particular, March low on the price channel here. You can see that right now it's still kind of holding that, and you can see that there is much, more room on the upside for it to move up. So if we go back and take a look at the daily, see right now if we also look at this, let me move this down, and if we use our fib and also get a little bit of a retracement level to see where are some of the possible support and resistance. You see that the 618 is down here at the 65.47, and right now it's kind of kissing off with this 78.6. So, and also bounces off on the 20 EMA. And if it does pull back and it get down to the 50% level, that retracement at near the 64.89 or 64.90, that's also close to this particular pivot level here. You can see, this pivot level right at this point here. So, yeah. And right now, Nasdaq 100 is also holding up there strong. Again, on the weekly chart here, we could take a look at that, going back to the 2009. It too is remained to be within the price channel, just like all the other indexes so far. Certainly there are more room for it to go up and possibly get up and tag this near the 3,500 level. If we go look at the daily, and let's get this zoom in here and just look at this particular level here. Okay. So, and you can see if we use the fib to go and look at this particular swing, and you can see that there are still some pretty good upside for it to move up here. The 141 will be 32.68. Right now it's kind of hovering at that 127. If I screw this, move this over, this 127 extension, which is 32.25. So we could see it continue to, regain strength and move up to this 141 and possibly get up to this 161, which would be at the 33 level here. Right. So wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit more of a pullback coming back, maybe test this 20 EMA. I will be surprised to see it come all the way back down to this, 31.44, 45 level. But I wouldn't be surprised to see it come down to maybe possibly the 31.90, 31.85. Okay. And then looking at the Russell 2000 here, once again, let's go back and take a look at the weekly first. And going back to that 2009 low there, and we too see that it is same, is still kind of trending within this price channel here, and it's still pretty much intact. And if we go back, looking at the daily right now, and let's zoom this in to these prices here, you can see that it's holding up at this particular level. Right? And if we put up our Fibonacci retracement using this this high and this particular low as a swing, and we can see that there are some potential target for this index to continue to move up, which is about the 1100 level, which would be the 127 extension at 1094. And at that point, it's still kind of below this particular trend line on the upper end of the price channel. And if we get up to that 141 extension, that would be about 11,010. So, we could see a little bit more of a pullback and maybe consolidation down at this particular level here near the, the 1063, 1065 area before it resume, to this 127. We'll be surprised to see it pull all the way back down and dip below this particular level here, the 1063 or 1064 level and come down and retrace down to the 50-day moving average. But of course, it is always possible. But right now, I do not expect it to. I be watching closely when it come back down to test this 1064 area to see what the price action is, and then at that point, then I will see what the market is telling me to get prepared. But right now, I'm expecting it to possibly continue to move up to this 1095 area. So that's basically the look of the market. And